Right, what I need to do, I've just added this in, DNS point to the forum. So what we've got at the moment is an IP address. What we need to do is make that forum.happymegames.com, right? So what I do is I go back to my DNS settings in GoDaddy or wherever you are, and I add an A record that the host is forum or whatever yours is. If it's Connect or Discourse or Chat or whatever it is, you're going to point it to that IP address. If it's your main site, you would just put @ here. So if your forum is myforum.com, you would just leave this as @. But if your forum.asiamhappymegames.com or connect. You need to put in here whatever that is, right? So that now points my forum.happymegames to that IP address. It'll take a while for it to set up. I'm not sure it'll come straight away. Happy Me. Yeah, you have to give it 5 or 10 minutes for it to set up. So I'll go back and for now, and I'll log in. So that user should have allowed me to get in. So let's see if that username's set up properly. If I can remember my password. So I'm now happily in and logged in. I can move around my forum. You know, I can click on things. The forum's set up to it's functional, which is a really cool way it now does it than it used to, because you couldn't get this far before. You'll see up here the little speed that your page is loading at. That'll depend on how much you're paying for it on that DigitalOcean. If you're using that $5 a month, it may be up to 2,000 milliseconds, but you want your forum to be as fast as possible. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into setting up. We're going